boys and girls, it's math time! For math today, we will continue solving subtraction stories with objects. Do you remember what subtraction means? Yes, it means finding out how many are left after some are taken away. Today, boys and girls, we're gonna solve more subtraction stories together. Listen to my subtraction story. There were 4 bears swimming in the river. 3 bears got out of the river. Can you tell me what was happening in the story at first? You're right. There were 4 bears swimming in the river. Count out 4 bears with me, friends. 1. Good job. 2. 3. 4. 4 bears were swimming in the river. Good job. Tell me what happened next. Aha! 3 bears got out of the river. Just like that. Very nice. Good job, guys. Now, can you think of a good question for this story? Yeah, we can say, how many bears are swimming now? How many bears are swimming now? Yeah, how did you know the answer? Because 4, there you go, 4, take away 3 is 1. 1 bear. Good job. Now listen to this next subtraction story. 5 bears were eating when they heard a noise. 2 bears hid in a cave. Well, boys and girls, how many bears were eating when they heard a noise? 5. Let's make sure we have 5 bears. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. So 5 bears were eating when they heard a noise. When they heard that noise, how many bears hid in a cave? 2. Good job. Let's take these 2 out and put them in the cave. There you go. So, how many bears were still eating? 3. Very good. 1, 2, 3. 3 bears are still eating. Well, good job, boys and girls. Good counting. Now let's see if we can quickly retell our story. So at first, there were 5 bears eating. And then, when they heard a noise, how many bears went into the cave? 2. So we say 5 take away 2 is 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. Can you see number 3? There you go. Good job. For this part of the lesson, boys and girls, I want you to take out your writing materials, your crayons, your markers, or your pencils, and some paper so we can practice writing our numbers. Go ahead. Here's another subtraction story. 5 bears are fishing in the river. Let's see if we have 5 bears. Count with me, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now 1 bear gets out of the river. Like this. How many bears are fishing now? Boys and girls, write your answer on that paper. How many bears are fishing now? Write that number on your paper. Oh, show me your answer. Did you say 4? Did you write number 4? If you did, how did you get that answer? Oh, so you counted good, the bears that are left fishing in the river. Well, let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bears are left fishing in the river. Good job. Now let's tell our math problem one more time. First, there were 5 bears fishing. You're right. So 5. How many bears got out of the river? 1. So 5 take away 1 is 4. Very good. Here is our last subtraction story for today, boys and girls. 5 bears are eating dinner. Let's make sure we have 5 bears. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. What are these bears doing? Eating dinner. 3 bears leave to sleep in a cave. How many bears leave? 3. Let's count 3 bears. 1 into the cave. 2, 3 bears into the cave. How many bears are eating now? Boys and girls, write that number on your paper. Go ahead. How many bears are left eating dinner? Show me your answer. Did you say 2? Did you write number 2? Well, how did you get that answer? Oh, because we see 1, 2 bears left still eating their dinner. Good job. All right, now let's quickly retell our subtraction story. At first, there were 5 bears eating dinner. And how many bears left to sleep in the cave? 3 bears. Good job. So we say 5 take away 3 is 2. 2 bears left. Awesome. Boys and girls, you did amazing today. Good job. I have some quick questions for you though. In our stories, did we add more bears or take away some bears? You're right. We took away some bears. We call this subtraction. Say that word with me. Subtraction. After we took away some bears, what happened to our group of bears? The group got smaller. The number of bears in that group got smaller. That is called subtraction. Awesome. We will solve more subtraction stories next time, boys and girls. But bye for now. Have a good day.